Ito muna, ito muna. Ano sa dalawa ang opisyal ng Pilipinas? Yung mag-usap tayo, magdebate, ipaglaban natin atin, pero sa simbolo ng watawat at sa simbolo ng Pangulo ng bawat bansa, cordial tayo, or ang opisyal ba natin ay umikot tayo at gumawa tayo ng mga caricature at siraan natin ang image ng presidente ng kabila? Which is our official policy?
If I may just clarify, Mr. President, because the mention of the caricature. Mr. President, according to the information, the caricature came out January 14. But even before that, Mr. President, I publicly came up with a statement expressing concern about the military exercises, live military exercises undertaken by China in the Taiwan Straits. That was in December. And there, Mr. President, I was called out by the Chinese embassy spokesperson saying, reminding me that I should respect the one China policy. And so the issue of Tariela cannot be isolated, Mr. President.
Okay. So,
and therefore, if I answer this, it is simplifying, Mr. President, the whole resolution into Tariela's statements. No, it's not, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I'll go to the one China policy later on and why you were called out. Because if you remember, the president himself was called out.
Exactly,
But not
Mr.
by
President.
no, because that's their duty.
Well, and this is our duty to respond.
Yes.
Mr. President. Yes.
Yes, it's your duty to respond, Mr. President. But
To uphold the rights, to uphold our independence, to uphold our freedom of speech, Mr. President.
yes, Mr. President, but one of the red lines of China in their diplomatic relations with any country, including the United States, is the one China policy. That's why when the Speaker of the House of U.S. went to Taiwan, they were called out. And there was no issue.
Mr. President,
and they called, Mr. President, let me finish.
Yes.
They called, and there was a debate. When President Bongbong said we have to prepare, President BBM, nag-statement. So, wala namang issue eh. Eto stand natin, eto stand nila.
Except that,
What's
Mr.
the
President,
issue there?
my experience with Chinese statements, Mr. President, is that they tend to be inaccurate, or they tend to make wrong, false accusations. Mr. President, I was chairperson of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. Our organization was blacklisted by China. And the accusation was that the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, of which I was chairperson, was supporting Taiwanese independence, which was a lie, Mr. President. So I've had experience with Chinese public statements that are false because it serves their interests to promote their one China policy. We respect their one China policy. When I expressed concern about the live military exercise, I did not speak about Taiwan's independence, or I did not speak about, at least from my point of view, it had nothing to do with the one China policy. We were just expressing concern that the live military exercises are creating tension and escalating tension in our region. There was no mention of one China policy, and then they come in and then remind me.
No, Mr. President. That is a standard reminder because they consider Taiwan and the waters in between to be part of China. So, put it another way, Mr. President. Sa kainitan ng secession movement ng Mindanao, kung may statement ang isang opisyal ng China dahil nagpadala tayo ng military sa Marawi, hindi ba ang diplomats natin sa Beijing sasabihin din sa kanila, huwag kayong makialam? Kasi one Philippines to eh. Ang Mindanao ay hindi independent.
Mr. President, I beg to disagree with the comparison. I think, again, ano yan, Atis at Santol, Mr. President. Iba yung sitwasyon dun sa Mindanao, iba naman ang sitwasyon dito sa Taiwan Straits, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's a very,
For example, we have about 200,000 overseas Filipinos in Taiwan. And so these live military exercises are a concern because an accident could lead towards, a shooting war, which we would, for the sake of our Filipinos overseas, we would like to ensure that nothing like that happens.
No, I agree with you, Mr. President. And I agree with your statement, and I agree na sana hindi invade yung Taiwan. What I'm saying is it's the duty of their diplomats na sumagot. So if there were 200,000 Chinese in Mindanao, and we had live exercises, i-invade yung Marawi, yung ating diplomat ay aangal pa rin sa Beijing because it's their duty. Diba? But to move on from that, Mr. President, okay, going back to Commodore Tariela, sa resolution nyo po kasi nakalagay dito in their performance of the official duties. So, tinanong ng ambassador ng China sa DFA, official ba yan? Which is tama and normal. So, if in Beijing, yung isang general doon ay maglabas ng caricature ni BBM, ipare-recall natin yung ambassador natin doon pag hindi siya nagtanong, nag-protest na bakit, at pag hindi sinabing official ba yon. Kasi yung Pangulo natin takes effort and time for good relations despite the dispute. Tapos yung general, naka-uniforme pa siya, on official time, will show this caricature. So my point, Mr. President, is naghahalo-halo kasi itong resolution na to kung ano tama't mali. Let's assume, I will not grant because hindi ko alam yung statements niyo, Mr. President. I have to admit that. Okay? Pero naghahalo din yung statement si Tariela. We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
we would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt Mr.
So
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide
Mr.
ulit?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan nyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about
You're,
decorum.
you're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no.
President. You are simplifying what
Session is
is a
suspended for 1
complicated
minute.
international. Just for the record, also, the resolution does not make mention of the caricature. So I'm not sure where
Yes.
where the point of the caricature is being
Mr. President.
pointed out.
I will go there after this point, Mr. President. No. Sir President, Rule 93, acts and language which offend a senator or any public institution shall be deemed parliamentary. From kindergarten, Mr. President, we are taught certain rules. How to address the teacher, how to respect your neighbor, paano i-address yung matatanda, di ba? Ganon din po sa international affairs. You do not mess with their flag and you do not mess with their symbol of authority, their king, sultan, prime minister, or president. That's why in this slide, Mr. President, it is very clear, yung official natin is, despite any dispute, si President Zelensky at President Putin if you put them on the same room, magkakamayan yan. So that's why the question kay Commodore Tariela is, officially sanctioned ba yan? Which tama na tanungin ng Chinese ambassador, bakit? If a general in China makes a caricature of President Bongbong, dapat i-protest ng ating ambassador. At dapat tanungin, official ba yan? Because we cannot look underhanded pagdating po sa international community. Hindi pwede ang Pangulo makikipag-usap na eto walang personalan and then yung general mo, personal. So, I'm sorry I reacted because anyone who sees the caricature is not a flattering caricature. If I do that caricature to any world leader, kahit dito, di ba? The majority leader is smiling. The majority leader and I had a we've known each other since 98. We've never argued with raising our voice. But umabot. I didn't even remember what I said. We apologized to each other. Bakit? Mali eh. Mali. Pero tama yung pinaglalaban mo, bro. Tama pinaglalaban ko. Mali yung paraan paano natin pinaglaban. So wala akong problema sa pinaglalaban ni Commodore Tariela. Pero hindi naman tayo fraternity dito sa Pilipinas na mali na nga brad mo, pero dahil bugbugan sa ibang bansa, sasabihin mo tama brad mo. Mali eh. Mali. I don't propose a resolution, but the guy should apologize and just say na, tama pinaglalaban ko, pero mali na ginawa kong ganyan. Now, if he wants to do that, he resigns his commission. He can go around, he can join the media, he can be a blogger, he can be a professor, he can be like Ronald Llamas and call himself a influencer or a political analyst, di ba? But when you're in uniform, the other countries will ask you, official ba yan? That's standard, Mr. President. Kaya tayo nagkakaproblema.
Mr. President, wala namang problemang magtanong sila. Pero itong mga bitiw na salita nila sa kanilang Facebook official pages ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Number one. Number two, kahit sa China, Mr. President, kinakarikature ang ating Pangulo ng China state-controlled media. Na alam natin, walang lumalabas dyan na hindi aprobado ng Communist Party. So merong China, Xinhua News. Andito si BBM, may caricature. Andito rin. So maliwanag, Mr. President, na they too, through their official channels,
Sir President.
come up with caricatures, Mr. President.
Sir President, yun po, with all due respect, Senator Pangilinan, and dapat ina-advisean ng DFA ng tama, hindi po mangga sa mangga o atis sa atis yan. Communist countries, including Vietnam, Cuba, North Korea, pag news outlet nila, although alam natin in reality, may say sila, just like PTB4, in reality, hindi dapat, but in reality, kahit sinong administrasyon ay may say sa PTV4, is not considered track 1. Hindi siya track 1. So kung hindi ka track 1, pwede ka mag-caricature. Media yun eh. Kahit na alam ng Communist Party. So if our diplomat ask, is that official? Sasagutin ka, that's our news. Hindi kami.
Which is Mr. President, and therefore okay lang.
No, it's not okay lang.
Well,
It's not okay lang, Mr. President.
Why
It is the
when we
international-
defend when our officials caricature, it's not okay. But when their state-controlled news caricatures, it's okay?
No, Mr. President. There is an
Ayun naman pala eh.
international...
So what's the issue?
No, Mr. President, there's an international order in foreign relations. And when these countries that control state media do it, it is accepted that it is not track 1. But when democratic countries have generals who do that, it destroys the order. Nagmumukha tayong childish at bata, nasisira po ang kredibilidad mula sa Pangulo hanggang sa Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Kung hindi sila napapahiya na ginagawa ng state news, tayo napapahiya. Kasi walang maniniwala na gagawin ng general yan at hindi siya ipagsosorry, tapos sasabihin hindi siya opisyal.
Well, again, Mr. President, if taken in isolation, and that's the difficulty here, the good senator is taking it in isolation. That was January 14. December pa lang, pinuntirya na ako. Si Senator Risa Ontiveros, the same. Nung nag-statement ang Congressman Laila and Congressman Jokno, tinira rin. So, itong propensity to focus on Tariela because nagre-reklamo on China, it does not present the entire picture, Mr. President.
Mr. President.
This resolution would not have happened if it was just Mr. Tariela, Commodore Tariela they were complaining about.
No, Mr.
But precisely, it is a systematic propaganda campaign to discredit our public officials, to discredit our armed forces, Mr. President. Ganyan ang style. And the statement of the DND, if you look at it, if you read through it, they were saying, and they condemned the lies. Mr. President, they described it as lies ang nilalabas ng China. And then dito tayo, nagre-reklamo sila dahil dito sa caricature. Sana naman medyo patas tayo dahil dito naman tayo sa atin, Mr. President. Suportahan naman natin yung ating Coast Guard. Sila ang tumataya dyan eh. At suportahan natin ang DND at ang ating men in uniform. Yun ang ating
Mr. President.
kagustuhan para maipasa itong resolusyon na ito that we stand behind our men in uniform. We oppose and we condemn the lies, the disinformation, and the maligning being undertaken by China against the senators, against congressmen, against our men in uniform. Mr. President, ganun lang kasimple ito. Hindi na dapat pinahaba pa at pinatatagal pa to, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's his opinion that hindi